So yesterday I told you we have completed the two problems. First two problems of the exercise 6.4, isn't it? So see these questions here. Third onwards I told you to read at home. So what is the question given to you? Please see here and try to understand the question first of all. If you try to understand the question first of all, then it is an easy task to you to do. So the question is given to you that in the figure one trapezium is given to you. Okay, is that trapezium? Is the trapezium in the figure 3? Question number 3.
No, sir.
Huh?
So not mentioned, sir.
Yes, that should be. You should very good. That it is not mentioned. By seeing the figure itself, you are not supposed to confirm that it is a trapezium. So that's the thing you need to note the point here. Okay. So the question is given to you ABC and DBC. So I'm going to draw that ABC, this triangle, and DBC. ABC triangle. Okay, is it visible to you? And ABC, this is the base you consider like this. ABC here base and A triangle here, and DBC is a triangle. So both are having the base as a BC. BC is the base. Okay, is it clear? So now, and if AD intersects the BC at O, AD intersects the BC at O. This is a point here it is given to you. Show that area of the triangle ABC. Show that the area of triangle ABC, this triangle and these two triangles, areas having the same base, and it is equals to the AO by DO is asking to you to prove. Okay, AO by DO. So here when AO is not a side in that triangle and DO is also not a side in that triangle, so what to do in this case? So this is a little bit difficult problem to you and very important, and it is useful problem to you also in your final examination and as well as in your future also. So let us see the solution clearly here, what you need to do. So did you understand the question properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, BC is the base, and here somewhere else D is the point is given to you, and here the point A is given to you. You can draw the ABC and DBC are there. So here the AD intersects the BC at a point O. Here it is the question given to you. So now what to do here to find out this one? It is asking to you to find out area of the ABC. For that purpose, you drop the one perpendicular from the A to the BC and draw the perpendicular from the D to the BC. So let us name these points as a E. E is the one point and F is the another point. E and F are the points. Okay. So area of the triangle ABC formula is what normally? Half into base into height. So here the base you consider as a BC. Just orally I am explaining to you. Base you consider as a BC. Then the height becomes AE. And the BDC triangle base you consider as a BC. Then the height becomes DF. So you are going to get half of will get cancelled. So let us see here. First I am going to write here. So what is given here, that it is given to you that two triangles are having the same base. In the figure it is showing, isn't it? In the figure it is showing two triangles are having the common base. Okay, and we have drawn perpendiculars. So for this question you have to write here, draw AE is perpendicular to BC and DF is perpendicular to BC. So we have drawn the perpendiculars. So now here what do you get? Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC is equals to, what do you get here? Area of the triangle ABC by area. Area of the triangle ABC means here you don't consider these two triangles are not similar triangles. These two triangles we have not proved similar triangles, and it is not given to you also. It is not given to you also. They are similar triangles. So what you have to do here in that situation? Area of the triangle formula is half into base into height. Half into base is BC and height is AE by half into base is BC and height is DF. So we are this BC and half of will get cancelled, and you are going to get AE by DF. AE by DF you are going to get. And if you observe properly, the triangle AEO, this triangle AEO triangle and DFO triangle are similar triangles. So here in triangle AEO and triangle DFO, AEO and DFO triangles, if you are taking into consider, in the AEO triangle, angle AEO is equals to angle DFO. So both are 90 degrees. We have drawn the perpendiculars, isn't it? वो दोनों perpendiculars हैं, isn't it? So next equal angles what? AOE angle is equals to DOF angle, because these are vertically opposite angles. So therefore, by AA criteria, AA similarity, what do you get? Triangle AEO is similar to triangle DFO. Triangle AEO is similar to triangle DFO, isn't it? So when these two triangles are similar, you can write that AE by DF is equals to AO by DO. You can write. Corresponding sides are in proportion, isn't it? Corresponding sides are in proportion. So using that, if you are taking into consider, here you got that two triangles ratio is AE by DF, and that AE by DF you got it as AO by DO. So from here 1 and 2 you can say that, from 1 and 2 you can say that area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC is equals to AO by DO. So this is asking to you to prove. Did you understand this problem?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So it is important problem in examination point of view also. When you see that, it's an important problem. Okay. So learn properly this one, and it is helpful to you also. Okay. So now coming to the next problem. The fourth problem is given that, see the question here. So what is the question given? If the areas of two similar triangles are equal, prove that they are congruent. If the areas of two similar triangles are equal, and prove that they are congruent. Congruent is nothing but, can anyone say what is meant
Same
congruent?
shape and same size.
Your voice is not audible, Veda. Say clearly.
Object having same shape and same size.
No. Okay, that's okay. That is similar figures. Any figure if you are taking. I am asking about particularly triangles. What happened? I am asking particularly about the triangles. If the two triangles are congruent, then what? Similar bole to corresponding angles are equal, corresponding sides are in proportion. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So similarity is nothing but corresponding sides are proportion. But in case of, if you are taking into consider corresponding sides equal आना है तो congruent होता है. Corresponding sides equal होना है. So that we need to prove here. So areas of the two similar triangles, if you are taking into consider here, means triangles if it is given to you similar. So what is the question given? That let triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Triangle DEF. ABC is similar to triangle DEF. This is given to you and required to prove that these two triangles are congruent. When? And also given that areas are also equal. And also given that area of triangle ABC is equals to area of triangle DEF. We have to consider it is given to you two triangles areas. So since the triangles are similar, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equals to, what do you get by the theorem? AB by DE whole square is equals to BC by EF whole square is equals to AC by DF whole square. And these two areas are equal here. These two areas are the two triangles here, ABC and DEF. Area of the triangle ABC and triangle DEF areas are equal. So equal is nothing but you can take the in the place of ABC DEF substitute kar sakte. So what do you get the ratio here? Area of triangle ABC by DEF ka place may be area of triangle ABC I am writing. So which is equals to, you are going to get AB by DE whole square. So which is equals to BC by EF whole square, which is equals to AC by DF whole square. So this you are going to get 1. 1 is equals to AB by DE whole square is equals to BC by EF whole square, which is equals to AC by DF whole square. Okay. Now what do you get here from this? AB by DE whole square is equals to 1. So that is nothing but AB square is equals to DE square you will get. From this, AB is equals to DE you are going to get. AB is equals to DE. In the same way, if you consider the BC by EF is equals to BC by EF whole square is equals to 1, you consider BC by EF whole square equal to 1. From that BC equal to EF you are going to get, and AC by DF is equals to 1 consider. So you are going to get from this implies that BC is equals to EF you are going to get, and AC is equals to DF you are going to get. So then corresponding sides are equal. So therefore, since the corresponding sides are equal, since otherwise you can write here you can write that by SSS, otherwise SSS use kar sakte, SSS criteria, you can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. So when the two, so don't consider that here most of the students will get confused one thing, that when the two triangles are taken, similar triangles, every similar triangle is not a congruent triangle. Similar triangles having equal area. The two triangles should have the similar and they should be equal area. If they are having equal area, then you can say that the two triangles are congruent. The congruency can be said like that. Is it clear?
सर
Yes.
सर आपने जो सेकंड वाला लिखा है ना, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल एबीसी बाय एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल एबीसी, सर नीचे भी एबीसी कैसे?
What?
सर आपने जो सेकंड वाला जो लिखा है ना, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल एबीसी बाय एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल एबीसी, सर इसमें भी एबीसी कैसे?
DEF, that is. You are asking this one?
नो सर, नीचे वाला.
नीचे वाला. Oh, sorry. Yes. Sorry, sir. Here DEF should be written. Very good. Good observation. So area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Here ABC hoga. Because why I have written ABC? ABC hoga. Why ABC होगा?
क्योंकि DEF इक्वल है ABC के.
Equal to ABC ना? The DEF equal to ABC I have replaced. That's why these two are equal हो गया. तो then cancel कर दिया तो 1 हो जाएगा ना? Did you get my point? पहले तो एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC by DEF लिखना है. उसके बाद ये DEF should be replaced by ABC. DEF should be replaced by ABC. Did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now let us move to the next problem. So what is the question here? It is given to you. Let us see the question here. Fifth question, see here. DEF are the respectively midpoints of the sides AB, BC, CA of triangle ABC. Then find the ratio of triangle DEF and triangle DEF and ABC is asking to you. So that is nothing but triangle DEF by triangle ABC you need to find out. Ratio of the areas of triangle DEF. So DEF are what? Midpoints. So here the question is given to you, the midpoints of the triangles are given to you. Okay. क्वेश्चन समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir.
ABC triangle you take into consider here. This is A, B, C, and DEF are the midpoints of sides. देखो D किधर दे दिया उधर ही लिखना है. See the question properly here. So when you see the question, DEF are the sides of AB, BC, CA. That is nothing but what is given here in the question. D is the midpoint of AB. D is the midpoint of AB. So that you have to take into consider here. D is the midpoint of AB. Here D you are going to get. And E is the midpoint of BC. And F is the midpoint of AC. So like this, the midpoints are given to you. Okay. Did you understand here? And what is asking to you to find out? Here asking to you to find out area of triangle DEF by area of triangle ABC. This is asking. Don't get confused that here first DEF is given, then after ABC is given. So first DEF only to be taken into consider. So areas whenever asking whether is it possible to you to prove these two triangles are similar or not, you have to check. If they are similar, their corresponding sides can be taken into consider. If they are similar, the two triangles. Are they similar? Can you say? Anyone?
Yes, sir, they are.
Sir.
Wait, Samrad, you wait for a while. If they are similar, how they are similar, let them think. You have learned a theorem in your 9th class. Based on that theorem, this problem can be solved. And the same model theorem you have learned, the model of the same theorem you learned in the 10th class also. Class 10th also, BPT. BPT model a theorem you have, one theorem you learned in 9th class. Can anyone say what is the theorem? The theorem which is similar to the theorem of the, means similar not, little bit same as a basic proportionality theorem. In this chapter itself, Yashika not audible to me.
Sir, midpoint theorem.
Yes. Can anyone say that what is the statement of the midpoint theorem?
Sir,
Samrat, you wait. So here, Yes, tell me. Anyone? Please tell me, anyone. Midpoint theorem क्या है?
Sir,
Hmm.
line joining the midpoint of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and half of it.
Yes, that is the thing. Main thing you have to, very good. So here it is given to you. First, let us, this is we have to prove. So what is given, you write here. Given D comma E comma F are D comma E comma F are midpoints of AB, BC and AC sides. इसका midpoints है. Okay. So by midpoint theorem, you can write by midpoint theorem, line joining the two midpoints of a triangle is parallel and half of it. So DF is parallel to BC. DF is parallel to BC, isn't it? DF is parallel to BC and DF is half of the BC. Not only this one, DF is parallel to BC. Here I am going to write DF is parallel to BC and EF is parallel to AB and EF parallel to AB. So otherwise you can write AB is parallel to EF. So from this you can say that if you observe properly, this is parallel to this one, this is parallel to this one. Actually DF is parallel to complete BC, then DF is parallel to BE and EF is parallel to. So therefore opposite sides are parallel in a quadrilateral. If the opposite sides are parallel in a quadrilateral, you can say that that quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So you are going to get BEFD is parallelogram. So this implies when these two are parallelograms, you can say that angle B is equals to angle DFE. Angle B is equals to angle DFE. Isn't it? Similarly, when you prove this is as a parallelogram, you can say that, and similarly you can write similarly DFCE is also parallelogram. So if this is a parallelogram, angle C will be equals to angle FDE. Angle C will be equals to this angle C will be equals to angle DFE. So हो गया. In the same way, even you can prove that angle E, this E equal to A. E equal to A आ जाएगा. So that is not necessary if the two angles of a triangle. So in triangle ABC, and when you say that ABC, EFD you need to say. These two triangles are similar, not DEF. It is not saying that DEF. Question में DEF पूछ रहे हैं ना सर. क्वेश्चन में एरियाज ऑफ द ट्रायंगल, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल DEF बोलो, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल FDE बोलो, सही होता है. बट whenever you name the triangle with a similarity symbol, if you name the triangle with a similarity symbol, then you are going to get. So this triangle, if you consider in this ABC में angle B होता है, that is equals to, already we have proved that DFE prove कर लिया. इसमें angle C is equals to angle FDE prove कर लिया. So therefore you can say that by AA similarity, triangle ABC is similar to, here everyone, most of the students will do the mistake. DEF लिखता है, not DEF. So when these two triangles are similar, the theorem of the area of the similar triangles, if you take into consider area of triangle ABC by area of triangle, here you can write DEF or EFD, doesn't matter actually. EFD should be equals to BC by FD whole square लिख सकते हैं ना, BC by FD whole square लिख सकते हैं ना. Can we write? Not only BC,
Yes, sir.
AB by EF also you can write. AB by EF whole square also you can write. And if you see that here, BC and FD compare कर लो इधर से, from here. इस स्टेप से क्या आएगा आपको, ये DF को राइट साइड लेके जाओ और 2/1 को लेफ्ट साइड लेके आओ. सो व्हाट यू गेट हियर, 2/1 इज इक्वल्स टू BC by DF आएगा. 2/1 is equals to BC by DF. So BC by DF इसको 1 मान लो. You consider that as a equation number 1. So here BC by DF or FD both are same because FD and DF's line segment, the length of the line segment. So here if you name in any way, that doesn't matter. Okay. So you are going to get this one as a 2/1 whole square. So 2/1 whole square is nothing but 4/1. So therefore ratio of these two triangles. But the question is what asking, that one you please note. क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछ रहे हैं ये नहीं पूछ रहे. इधर आल्सो बहुत ज्यादा लोग मिस्टेक करते हैं ज्यादा से. So better to avoid the mistake, here itself you see here, I'm going to erase this part, don't get confused. Question is at last also you can do like this and asking to you EFD by ABC asking, DEF by ABC is asking. So the answer is 1:4, not 4:1. Here 4:1 आया ना, 4:1 हम we are taken ABC by DF. Suppose if you take here itself, if you continue like this also, last में reciprocal ले लो हो जाएगा, that is also right. But why to avoid the why to create the confusion, triangle EFD by area of triangle ABC is equals to a DF by BC whole square. So ये BC को इधर लेके आओ from here. So DF by BC is equals to, you are going to get 1/2. This is equation number 1 मान लो. So you can write here this as a 1/2 whole square. So which is equals to 1/4 आ जाएगा. Which is equals to 1/4. So this is the question asking to us to prove area of the triangle. Sir question में area of the triangle DEF, area of triangle DEF इधर एक कुछ भी लिखो, the ratio only ना, इधर triangle है, but here compulsory you need to write the FED EFD only, otherwise the problem becomes wrong. Okay, समझ में आया ना? ज़्यादा डिस्टर्बेंस हो रहा है बेटा. If you want to ask, then you give the message, anything. Your voice is not audible to me clearly. There is a disturbance, I think so. Network problem is there. Okay, doesn't matter. See the fifth problem complete. Okay. Then sixth and seventh let us discuss here. Prove that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the sum of to the squares of the ratio of this corresponding medians. बोल रहा है. This is also very important question here. Question number 6. Actually, corresponding sides होता है, but corresponding medians बोल रहे हैं. Ratio of the areas of the two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So actually we know that, but here the question is asking, it's a medians, corresponding medians. So that is nothing but what to do here in this problem. Two similar triangles to be taken into consider. Okay, let us take the triangle ABC. ABC is the one triangle. DEF is another triangle. And asking to you to prove that median. Sorry, let us take PQR triangle because it is familiar. Already we have worked on the problems with the PQR. So let us take the triangle name as a PQR. PQR. And PM is a median. In the previous exercise we have proved already. Given that, what is given here? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Two similar triangles, if you are taking, the ratio of the areas of these two similar triangles is equal to, we know that AB by PQ whole square, BC by QR whole square, AC by PR whole square. We know that, isn't it? Is it clear to you? That we know that. So if you are able to prove that, already we have proved in the previous problem that if the triangles, these two triangles are similar, and AB by PQ. So similar bole to here what you can write, AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR. BC by QR. And angle B is equals to angle Q. Now you take in the AB by PQ is equals to BC by 2 by QR by 2. And angle B is equals to angle Q as it is you take. BC half क्या है? BC में half BD है. So you will get AB by PQ is equals to BD by QM. Because BC में half BD है, and angle B is equals to angle Q. So this implies you can say that by SAS similarity, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQ. Already we have completed this problem, this model, 12th problem of the last exercise. 12th and 14th problems I told you very important of the 6.2 exercise. Sorry, 6.3 exercise. So the same problem there also we have proved in this way only. Two triangles similar whenever it is given to you. And we proved this one. And from this we are going to get it as a AB by PQ is equals to AD by PM aa jayega. So this implies that area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equals to, we know that AB by PQ whole square. So AB by PQ place में AD by PM you can write. So AD PM क्या है? AD and PM क्या है? Medians. Medians है. So therefore ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equals to square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. You have to write that statement at last. Therefore ratio of areas of two similar triangles. The question में क्या दे दिया वो लिखना है. What is given in the question, that you have to write. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Even not only AD by PM, if you take the BE as a one median and QN as another median, even BE by QN also you are going to get. Similar way. Same way how we have proved that one, and this one also you can prove in a similar way. Is it clear to you? समझ में आया ना? Okay.
सर
Yes. चल.
क्वेश्चन में तो पूछा था कि करस्पॉन्डिंग मीडियन से वो होना चाहिए उसका स्क्वायर इक्वल, तो अभी जो आपने करवाया उसमें तो एरिया मतलब साइड भी है, मतलब ए बी स्क्वायर.
ये क्या है?
हाँ
एडी क्या है?
मीडियन.
मीडियन है ना, पीएम क्या है, मीडियन है ना,
मीडियन।
तो करस्पॉन्डिंग मीडियंस आ गया ना।
इसमें सर अगर साइड भी हम दिखा देंगे तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा?
नहीं, साइड तो हमको पता है ना, we know that AB by it is areas of the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equals to AB by PQ whole square, we know that, BC by QR whole square, we know that, AC by PR whole square, that is by the theorem. But if corresponding medians asking, medians whenever it is asking, we have to prove that AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. Okay,
ओके सर।
समझ में आया ना अभी? Here that is only we have proved ना, here AB by PQ equal to AD by PM we have proved. So the AB by PQ place में AD by PM replace कर लिया है. This AB by PQ place में AD by PM replace कर दिया है. So that's medians हो गया, corresponding median. That's all. Okay? समझ में आया ना?
Yes.
यस सर।
Prove that the area of the equilateral triangle described on one side of the square of is equal to the half of the area of the equilateral triangle described and the one of its diagonals. ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है, बट फिगर ड्रा कर लिया तो देन इट इज एन इजी टास्क टू यू टू अंडरस्टैंड. Once again read the question here. What is the question given to you? Prove that the area of equilateral triangle described on one of its squares, one of the side of the square. आप स्क्वायर ड्रा करो, उसका एक साइड में इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल है. So here itself I am going to